Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna try the monimoto, the MM7. So I'm gonna leave the key fob here at home. I'm gonna pick up my phone. I'm gonna put the start watch here on the phone. We go down to the garage and we're gonna go off with the motorcycle, simulate this, that you are trying to steal it, to see how long it takes to me to be contacted by the company saying that something is wrong. So let's go down to the garage. Okay, I'm down in the garage, and the footage that you guys are gonna watch is the footage that I used for my Portuguese test. I'm not gonna do the same test twice, okay? I already have the key fob here with me, but you are watching what I recorded before for my Portuguese channel, where basically it showed me that it took around 1 minute 10 seconds it's there is showing 20, but don't forget that I had to start the clock, put the gloves and everything before I start riding. So I'm gonna say 1 minute and 10 before I received a call from the company. As you will see on the screen, I will receive a call from monimoto MM7, which is the number that I put in memory on my phone, and it was fast. I cannot complain. It works, and I do recommend the service, like I said before. If you are interested, there is one little detail that I have to make before I say goodbyes, is that in the video I mentioned the price in dollars, which is $49, but here in Portugal will be 39 euros. So this service will cost €3.25 a month. You're basically paying the GSM services for the SIM card. That's it, and I think it's a very reasonable price for the service that it does, and most of all it works, which is the most important thing. Having said this, guys, also check the link for the review of the monimoto, the actual review, and subscribe the channel, click the notification bell so you receive my future videos, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!